right, special thanks to this company for sending me their mushroom lamp. This is like a night light, and there's nothing really around the box. So let's open it up. So the light and an included micro USB cable, and that's it for the box. You have a little instruction guide here with the modes, the switch, micro USB charging port, so you can charge this up. It says 3 to 4 hours, and it has 8 to 10 hours of working time, so that's pretty good. It's plastic. Wow, so that's, you could stick that to something, and then you'd be able to kind of wall mount it here. Very nice. Look at that. All right, well, let's wait till nighttime. We'll get this charged up, make sure it's fully charged. Ooh, blue light. And then we'll give it a go. There we go. So I wanted to show some of the brightness that this night light will put off. This is on wide view as well in our bathroom. It's pretty nice. You can actually even flip it over to this other setting. But it's just enough light to be able to see and do what you would need when you touch it and stuff. It goes brighter. But personally, I like the colors. I don't know, that's just me. Now it's green, purple, but that's essentially what it looks like. Thanks again to them for sending this to us, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.